In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create, add and remove a list view button in Salesforce. Whether you're new to this platform or just looking to enhance your Salesforce skills, these steps will guide you through this process smoothly. Let's start by heading over to your Salesforce dashboard. In the top right corner, you'll notice a gear icon. Clicking this will open up a menu of options, one of which is Advanced Setup. This is where we need to go to begin customizing our Salesforce environment. Once you're in Advanced Setup, you'll see a Quick Find box, our handy tool for speeding up navigation. Enter Object Manager into this box. Object Manager is where you can access all the objects in Salesforce, like accounts, contacts, and opportunities, and customize them to fit your organizational needs. After searching for Object Manager, you'll find it listed under Objects and Fields. Go ahead and click on it. The next step is to decide which specific object you'd like to add a list view button to. Perhaps you want to add it to accounts or maybe contacts. It's really up to you and what best meets your needs. Simply search for and select your desired object. With the object selected, look over to the left-hand panel and click on Buttons, Links and Actions. This section is your launchpad for creating new buttons and links that can provide shortcuts to essential functions in Salesforce. Now let's create a new button by clicking on New Button or Link. For the type of button, make sure you select List Button. This is essential because we're focusing on actions related to lists within your selected object type. Moving on, you'll need to give your new button a label and name. These identifiers will help you recognize and distinguish this button later, so make them clear and intuitive based on what the button will accomplish. Next, you have to decide on the display type. Since we're adding a list button, you'll naturally opt for list button as your display type. Now, let's set the button's behavior. For instance, you might prefer the button to display in the existing window. This decision largely depends on user experience and your organizational standards. The content source of your button is another key decision. Choices here include Visual Force Page, URL, or JavaScript, depending on what functionality you're aiming to include in your list view button. Choose the option that best serves your purpose. Once you've completed all these fields, it's time to save your work. Click Save to add the button to your list view. Remember, once saved, this button will enhance browsing efficiency and bring critical functionality right at your fingertips. There you have it. You've successfully created, added, and now know how to remove a list view button in Salesforce. Feel free to explore and customize more to suit your particular needs, and enjoy the seamless experience of an improved Salesforce interface.